This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Randy Neuman. Beautiful 3 bedrooms, 2-bath 2-car garage home with open floor plan in a very desirable central location of Melbourne. Updated bathrooms, kitchen and tile flooring throughout. Newer appliances. Large fenced yard. No neighbors to the west. Home is short distance to Health First, Northrup Grumman, L3 Harris, Melbourne International Airport, and Embraer. Seller will only consider 1 small dog. No cats please. For more information, review the details below or contact Randy Neuman at 321-308-3268.